Good morning or afternoon, evening, nighttime, early morning, late night, whatever time it is you're watching this video. I wanted to point something out. Some of you doing really good. There's a few of you that are struggling a bit, and there's only 16 days left in the semester. 11 school days, but total of 16 days if you're taking an online course. So I just wanted to point out the obvious here. An A, you get, or you earn, 5 credits for the semester. That's 5 more towards that 230 minimum that you need to graduate. Look what happens if we put a B in here. It's still 5 credits. We put a C. You're still going to get those 5 credits. This is a little scary, all right? This really scares me. But if you at least get a D, you still get those 5 credits. But more scarier than the D for 5 credits is if somehow you earn this, which we don't want any of these, okay? There's 16 days left. Okay, if you think about it in hours, you could still fit a whole semester into those 16 days. Because technically your semester is only 90 hours per class. So if you did 16 times 24, meaning you didn't sleep for 16 days, and you try to catch up on your schoolwork, you could still earn your 5 credits. But if you don't, and you don't catch up, if you're one of these students at the moment, this is what happens. And I don't want to do this, but I got to do this. Yes, I'm whining. F equals, no, it does not equal 5 credits. It equals 0 credits. You do not want one of these. No, no, no. And this is not a ho, ho, ho. It is a no. Oops, no, no, no credits. So please, even with 16 days left, 24 hours in each of those days, don't get an F, or else you get 0 credits. Please. All right, gotta go. I'm getting too emotional.